I'm surprised how many grown women do not know this secret. How many grown women do not know this hygiene secret? Like, when I'm in the restroom and I see grown women do this, I'm shook. You never want to get caught slipping by Mother Nature, because she will try to play you if you let her. She will, okay?
New life, new mind, all things behind. I'm feeling so brand new, baby. Everything new, baby.
What is up to all of my kings and queens? It's your girl Alexus Crown here, and I am back with another video for you guys. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about hygiene for my young queens, my young girls, preteens, 13 and up. Ladies, we have to stay fresh, we have to stay clean, and we need to talk about hygiene. Did that just rhyme? That wasn't on purpose. But this video is brought to you by White with Style. It's a teeth whitening company. They give you the entire kit yourself. You have the LED light. Oh, that looks cool on camera. You have the LED light. You have the mouth molders that you put your teeth in. And you have the gel. They also give you this shade blender, so you can know what shade you are, where you fall on the scale, and you can see up to 4 shades lighting all within one treatment. I do have a code available, Alexus Crown. You'll be able to purchase the Sparkle White Professional Teeth Whitening Kit for a retail price of $28, and it usually runs $270. So if you want to use that code Alexus Crown, I will put it in the description box along with all the other links that you need. But this is the teeth whitening gel. So if you want to use the kit and purchase the White with Style Sparkle Professional Whitening Teeth Kit, then use my code. All the information is down below. Now, let's get on to our other hygienic talk, shall we? All right, ladies, so every girl, woman, lady needs a feminine bag. My mother introduced me to feminine bags, I want to say when I was around 11 or 12, and I had my mini pads in it. Now, it wasn't this big. This is my travel like bag, but it pretty much has the same stuff in it. So if you're going through puberty, if you're starting puberty, if you have a BO, which is a body odor problem, whatever the case may be, you need to have your feminine bag together. So the first thing that I have in mind is makeup wipes. Now obviously I didn't have this in my bag when I was 11, 12, 13 because I wasn't wearing foundation, lashes and all of that. But you always want to keep makeup wipes on hand because you never know. Granted, I don't even wear makeup that much today. Like present time, I only wear makeup when I'm filming and stuff like that. But again, makeup wipes. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Now granted, I usually carry the mini toothbrush and toothpaste. This is my actual like toothbrush and toothpaste that I use in the morning, but I always have a mini size one around with me. So you never know, you go out to eat, your breath stinking, you could meet your husband, you trying to whisper a joke to your friend. You don't want to be the one with halitosis, which is stinky breath. So, and keep a toothbrush and toothpaste on hand. Also, a scrunchie. I know you're like, girl, what does that have to do with hygiene? You never know. A scrunchie and a safety pins you always want to keep with you because you never know when you will need them. Some type of moisturizer. I get Vaseline. I use Vaseline because I have supersonic dry skin that repels regular cheap lotion. So Vaseline and cocoa butter is what I use to penetrate the ashiness and crustiness of dry skin. You want any type of moisturizer though. Awesome. Mouthwash. Now you can see this has been used, but you want some type of mouthwash along with your toothbrush and toothpaste. Cause if you don't have time to brush your teeth, you'll have time to swig this in your mouth, spit it out real quick, go about your business. And you good, sis. Like you're good. You're good. A charger plug, an outlet jack. Now, some of y'all might be thinking, okay, is this a hygiene video or not? Yes, it is, but this is like a hygiene kit mixed with an emergency kit that you should always keep. All right, ladies, now let's get into the nitty-gritty. Deodorant. You always want to have deodorant on you. I don't care how big or small your purse is. You need to have it in your car. You need to have it in your locker. You need to keep deodorant on you, because sometimes nature just might play the okie doke on you and you might be musty without even knowing it, or you just never know when you're gonna need deodorant. Like, seriously, this is top 5 things that you need to keep in your bag. I know I'm naming a lot, but I'll name top 5 at the end. We'll go over everything again. Deodorant. Oh, here's my mini toothpaste thing. So this is the one that I usually carry around in my purse and my bag when I'm traveling. Tampons, ladies. Tampons or pads. I didn't start using tampons until I was 15, but I think I started my cycle when I was like in the 7th grade, and then I was introduced to tampons in the 9th grade. So you want to keep a tampon or a pad handy always, ladies, always, okay? Because you never want to get caught slipping by Mother Nature, because she will try to play you if you let her. She will, okay? I do a razor now just because you never know. You might want to wear shorts or a skirt or a dress and you're out at your friend's house and you didn't shave. Boom, you have a razor. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. So we're gonna recap and do a top 5. Toothbrush and toothpaste is number 1. You always want to keep that. Number 2, a pad or a tampon. Number 2, a pad or a tampon. Number 3, some type of moisturizer. Number 4 is a hair scrunchie and a safety pin. Number 5 is deodorant. For tampons and pads, ladies, you want to change your tampon to pad. Some boxes say you can go up to 4 hours, but if you have a heavy flow, which means it comes in bulk a lot, then you definitely want to change like every 1 to 3 hours. You want to have feminine hygiene wipes. My mom used to have me carry them around in my feminine bag. I don't have them with me, but I would definitely recommend getting some feminine hygiene wipes. They have scented and unscented, just to give you that extra cleanliness feel when you're changing and going to the restroom and things like that. Also, I'm surprised how many grown women do not know this secret. How many grown women do not know this hygiene secret? Like, when I'm in the restroom and I see grown women do this, I'm shook. Ladies, my mother taught me this and I thought everybody knew. But when you are on your Mother Nature, when you are on your lady time of the month, I don't want to get demonetized. When you're on your cycle or period, when you change your pad or tampon, you need to take it out. I put the new tampon in. I take the old one. I put the old one in the old wrapper. I take toilet paper. I wrap it up in toilet paper, ball it up, and put it in the appropriate disposal, or if you're at the house, trash can. Do you know how many women just throw the wrapper, throw the container in the trash without wrapping in toilet paper, without putting it in the bag? One, nobody wants to see that. That's disgusting. We all have the same thing, but it's still disgusting. Like, nobody wants to see that. And 2, it's disgusting. So, my young babies, my young girls, my grown women, and my old ladies, when you are changing your feminine time in the restroom, take your pad and your tampon. If you can put it in the other wrapper, wrap it up, but also follow up with toilet paper and then dispose of it. Like, my mind is like blown when I see that girls and women don't do that. That's crazy, but everybody didn't grow up the same way as I did, and everyone doesn't have that knowledge. So with that being said, that's my hygiene tip for you, your puberty tip coming from Alexus, your hygiene hacks. That's what this video is going to be called, hygiene hacks. how to not stink up a restroom, because that literally stinks. Cycle stink is not something that smells like roses. I don't care how you clean you are, like, it's blood, it stinks. So with that being said, get you a feminine hygiene kit, get you an emergency kit. Check out White with Style to get your teeth whitening kit for the low using Alexus Crown, the code. And be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. You don't have to get off my channel or leave my page, but you have to get off of this video. So check out the next video at the end of this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.